Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this traditional Onam look. So let's begin. For this, I'm using the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer, which is my current favorite primer as this gives a beautiful canvas to your makeup. Next, to conceal my pigmentation, I'm using an orange corrector from Sephora. I'm so comfortable with this corrector, so I didn't buy any other orange correctors. And I'm dotting it lightly in the area where I have pigmentation. To blend this out, I'm using a beauty blender from Colorbar. This is an affordable and good quality beauty blender. You can definitely give a try to this. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. I'm using this very lightly in the areas where I used orange corrector. An important trick to get the perfect makeup is use the products very little at the beginning, as you can definitely build it up later. But if you use too much, you may end up looking cakey sometimes. Also ensure that the beauty blender is wet enough so that the products blend very easily. As I am doing this, you can see that my pigmentation is getting concealed. To create this look, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 312 Golden. It is a matte and full coverage foundation, so dry skin people have to moisturize their skin very well before using this foundation. And one pump of it is more enough to cover the full face. To set this, I'm using a loose powder from Cover FX. As you can see, I'm using a very little amount of the powder just to set my T-zone and the areas where I have used the correctors. For my eye look today, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose palette. I'm using this medium brown shade to define my crease. Next, I'm using this warm shimmer gold color in my eyelid, and this will definitely complement my outfit that I'm going to be wearing later. Next, I'm using this brick shade from the same palette to do my outer corner to just create an illusion of a smoky effect. It is a beautiful palette with a combination of mattes and shimmers. For eyeliner, I'm using Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner, and I'm creating a winged liner today. The tip of the liner is so easy and comfortable to create a winged liner easily. Next, to line my waterline, I'm using the Lakme Iconic Kajal. I'm using the kajal a little heavy because I'm going to create a bold eye look. With an angular brush, I'm taking this brick brown shade to line my lower lash line. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Etude brow pencil in the shade black. For my lashes, I'm using my absolute favorite Colorbar Zoom&Whoosh mascara. This is an affordable mascara that's going to give you a beautiful and voluminous lashes. Also, this mascara has a secondary lid, and when you open it, you're going to get a clean wand with minimal product, and you can definitely use this to do your lower lashes. Next, I'm using L'Oreal Back to Bronze in the shade Sunkiss to give a beautiful warmth to my skin. For blush, I'm using the Maybelline Master Blush, and I'm using this peachy pink shade. I'm using this pearl shade highlighter from the same palette to highlight my brow bones. For lips, I'm using a MAC lipstick in the shade Hot Tahiti, and this is a beautiful reddish pink color. Next, I'm using a tissue paper and dabbing it gently on my lips. Now again, I'm applying the lipstick and repeating the same step. I'm doing this to make sure that my lip has the tint always, even when the lipstick starts to fade off. And now that I have completed my makeup, to bring out that festive vibe, I'm wearing a sari. Also, I have used some traditional jewelry, and to complement this, I have used some fresh flowers. And if you're new to my channel, please take a look at my videos, and if you like it, please subscribe to me and support my channel. And this is my final finished complete look, and I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a very happy Onam, and I will be meeting you soon in my next interesting video. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye.